Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2017 Ford EcoSport, stock number 6998. This ran from 11/2013 to the 10/2017. There's a BK 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Front bonnet, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory made tyre. Left hand tail light. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory made tyre. Right rear door 1 dent and grease. Right front door 1 dent. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front 16-inch factory made tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, display cluster, tyre mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.